Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a landing page with Canva using an easy method. First, open Canva and log in or sign up for a free account. Once inside, navigate to the search bar and type landing page to explore hundreds of available templates. Selecting a template that resonates with your brand's aesthetic and purpose is crucial for a strong start. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire page, making the design process much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Begin by replacing all placeholder text with your compelling headlines and informative body copy. Next, upload your own high-quality images, company logos, and any other brand assets to ensure a consistent look. Don't forget to customize the color palette and font styles to perfectly align with your brand's visual identity. These adjustments are key to making your landing page truly yours and engaging your audience effectively. With your design personalized, it's time to integrate essential elements. A clear and prominent call to action button is vital. Make sure its text is persuasive and actionable. Consider adding contact forms or subscription boxes to capture valuable leads directly from your page. Strategically place all these components to guide your visitors smoothly through the page, encouraging them to take the desired action. This thoughtful placement can significantly boost your conversion rates. Finally, let's get your landing page live. Before publishing, always preview your design thoroughly to catch any last-minute errors in text or layout. Canva allows you to publish your page directly with a free domain, or you can download it for hosting on your own website. Once published, share your impressive new landing page across all your social media platforms and marketing channels to reach your target audience. It's that simple to launch your professional page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.